This is Lake Calavera, and we're heading into the volcanic dome. On the left or the east side of the dome, you see the white Eocene Santiago Formation being cross-cut by the gray volcanic unit. Into contact between the two, there's a bake zone, but it's not nearly as well developed as on the west side, as we'll see in just a second here. The vertical lines are columnar joints, and these are common in volcanic rocks. On the west side, on top of the ridge here, you see the columnar joints, but they're not vertical. They're tilted, and that's a product of the way that these volcanic domes form. Also on the west side, you see the white Eocene Santiago Formation being cross-cut by the volcanic unit, which is gray and on the left here. There's also a reddish-brown bake zone that forms right in between the two formations.